In this video, we will connect Google Sheets to our account and use an example to show you how to register for your event and see if registration information is there. First, let's connect the integration. Let's go into the bot and click the Settings button. Next, let's select the Integration section. In the tab Google Sheets, authorize through your Google account. And be sure to tick all the boxes. Now, our account is linked. Let's create a table in Google Sheets. In the first row, enter the name of the columns, under which the data will be written from users. Let's go to the constructor. In the start comment, add a text block and write the necessary message. Next, create an inline keyboard. Give the button a name. Choose the action Jump to a comment or condition. Also name the comment for registration. Save changes to the button and close the comment. Automatically created a registration comment. Let's open it. In the registration comment, add Create Row action. Let's choose the necessary sheet and table. We now have our titles. Let's introduce variables for them with information about the user. User ID text shows the ID of the user in Telegram. Username text shows the user's username. First name text and last name text shows the user's first and last name. Join date shows the date of login to the bot or resource. Let's also add a text block and write the text. Close the comment, publish the changes, and check how the bot works on Telegram. It's great! Everything is working. Now, let's create a condition that will check if the user is registered and will not let him register again. Create a second comment to notify that the user is already registered. Let's call it I have a registration. And add a text block to it. Let's move on to creating the condition. Condition will have two rules. The first will check for records and redirect the user to the command check-in. The second rule will be exclusive and it will work when the first rule cannot be executed. That is, if there is no record of the user in the table. In the rule, we will add a string check. choose the same table and sheet. Select the Telegram user ID column search and insert the appropriate variable. Now, the system will check the table for a row with the user ID of the user. In the action, let's select Send Command or Condition and write the command I have a registration. In the exclusion rule, add the action Send Command or Condition and select Registration. In the Start command, change the inline button. Select the Jump to Command or Condition action and select our condition. Let's publish the changes and check how the bot works in Telegram. Let's start by calling the command. The bot informs us that we are already registered. Now let's delete the data and try to register again. As you might have noticed, the bot enters our data into the table in real time. That's great! Everything is working properly.